Good evening. It's Troy over at Wooden Wonders. It is a Sunday night, a balmy 40 degrees here in central Wisconsin, and every so often I have a bonfire just by myself. Um, Brings me to a topic maybe want to talk about tonight is just how to relax. We talk about woodworking on this channel and a lot of the different things that we do and tips and ways to make things more efficient and more fun. But you also have to look out for your health, both mentally and physically. And yes, woodworking is a hobby or a business, but just like anything, it can be taken to extremes, and you need to recharge your batteries. And one of the ways that I do that is I'm doing a wood scrap fire tonight. So all through the week, all the different jobs that we've had, cut-offs, things like that, we try to use the wood as efficiently as we can. But comes a time when the piece just gets so small or punky or not usable that we bring it out here and we'll actually burn. So I get some BTU units out of this thing, so which is kind of nice. So however you relax, I like to have bonfires where I just kind of sit and think and plan the next day, or just think and just kind of chill. We've all got family, we've all got work, we've got our hobbies, we've got a hobby side hustle business along with work. Depends on what your situation is. I'm 60 years old, and this is what I've been doing full time now for probably the last 8 or 9 years. I've been woodworking for about 17 years. So I was able to retire a little bit early, and so I'm able to devote full time to that. But what does that mean, full time? We used to do 6, 7 days a week, 6 hours, 7 hours a day. And actually, at that point, it wasn't as fun as it had been initially. So we stepped back, and boy, we're sure enjoying it a lot more than we used to. We enjoyed it before, but it's just not as stressful. You are able to enjoy it more if you do it less, if that makes any sense. So, however you relax, whether it be sitting by a fire like I'm doing, whether you read, whether you hike, walk, run, work out, whatever, try to take time and make time to relax both physically and mentally. And I think in the long run, it's going to help a lot of different aspects of your life. So thanks for watching. I appreciate that. Please subscribe to the channel if you would, please. Hit that like button and put comments down below if you would, please. And I will leave you with the rest of the video with what the fire looks like from my angle. Thanks for watching.